sometimes play chess.
Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new episode of Living Alone Diaries. If you cannot tell, I'm getting ready right now. I'm running a little bit behind, so I just decided to film this intro while I am getting ready. But in today's video, I just wanted to bring you along for a full day in my life as somebody living abroad who is working an unconventional job. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Adrienne. I've been living in South Korea for 3 years, and when I came over here, I was teaching English for the first several months, but then I transitioned over to being an entertainer here. So I just do random gigs like commercials and working with beauty companies for their ads and stuff like that. And then I also run this YouTube channel, and I'm also in the process of opening a business in the States. So I am kind of, I guess, just doing a little bit of everything right now. And I've really been wanting to show how I go throughout my day juggling different tasks for different projects, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've really missed just doing more of these full day in the life videos because I don't remember the last time I vlogged like from morning to night. So the goal today is to keep up with this video all day long. So on my agenda for today, I'm gonna start by actually going to meet up with a friend. I don't typically meet up with friends like every day of the week, obviously. On the weeks that I'm super busy with work, when I'm like filming with a company or something, I usually feel way too drained and I don't want to meet with anyone. But this week I am doing pretty much everything at my house, so I wanted to take the chance to meet up with this lovely lady. And besides that, I have a ton of work that I need to do on my computer. It's about to become like a really busy time of year for me, so I just need to like take a step back and do a ton of planning and scheduling. And then I also need to run to a couple stores today, so we've just got a little bit of everything going on. Side note, I'm mostly using all of the new makeup I got when I was visiting the States. Obviously I live in Korea, which is like, you know, the capital for skincare, but I'm not gonna lie, I prefer US makeup to Korean makeup. I think US makeup just complements my skin better. All right, hello everyone. So I've been back home for about an hour just working on my computer, and I'm actually about to hop on a Zoom call. I'm just like going over some of the final details for a project that I will be filming next week, so I'm super excited about that. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I changed my outfit. I just wanted to wear something a little more like business casual for my meeting instead of like sweatpants and a t-shirt. I've been wearing this jacket non-stop. I also have another one. This is from the Jacket Maker. The Jacket Maker is an online shop that sells custom leather jackets for both men and women of all sizes. And my favorite thing about their website is how many different styles they have, because if you guys remember last year, I was stuck wearing the same oversized leather jacket all year. And I do love that jacket, but I definitely needed something that was a little more form-fitting to fit my exact size. So I'm so glad I have this one in my closet now. This jacket, I feel like, just gives any outfit the most subtle and classy look. I'm literally wearing like a black tank top and jeans, but then when you throw this on, it completely changes the vibe of the whole outfit. I love how soft and lightweight this feels. Even though it's like a lightweight jacket, I feel like it actually keeps you really warm when you zip it up. And I also really like these zippers. I've never had a jacket that had anything like this, and it's nice because you can kind of like like decide what style you want to do, if you want it to be more tight or just loose fitting. And besides this one, I'm also obsessed with the Kelsey leather biker jacket. That one looks so cute on. I got it in black. It's such a simple look, but I feel like I'm going to have both of these jackets in my closet for years. The jacket maker is actually having a really good sale for Black Friday, and they've been so generous, and they have given me a coupon to share with you guys. So if you want to get your hand on a really good high quality leather jacket for this upcoming season, now is the time. I will have their link down in the description below, and thank you so much to the jacket maker for sponsoring this video. Let's go outside. Oh, you're so sweet girl today. Good girl.
A little different than all the rest. A quite old-fashioned playwright.
It's just made my dinner. This is my first time making this recipe. I basically just used anything I had in my kitchen. It actually smells really good. The main ingredients are like garlic and black pepper. I feel like it looks a little bit dry, but let's try it. That is not bad. It could definitely use like some olive oil to make it a little bit more moist, I would say, but I don't have any olive oil. I just have MCT oil, but this is actually pretty good. All right, so I'm about to head out to Daiso. I just need to pick up some cleaning supplies. I have a blocked drain in my shower, so I have a cleaner coming tomorrow to help me with that. So I just wanted to make sure I had everything she needs, like the gloves and the Drano and all that stuff. And then here's my little outfit. I love to just like dress nice and warm and cozy when I go out for errands in the winter. Oh, and another thing I wanted to ask you guys is, in your opinion, if you've been to Daiso, when are the vibes the best? Because in my opinion, I think this time of year is the best at Daiso because it's when all of like the cozy fall winter stuff comes out. I think the one I'm going to today is a little bit small. I'm just going to the one close by, but I promise in a future vlog, I will bring you guys to the really big one in my town, and you'll be shook at all the stuff they have.
I kept on looking, but everyone's such a fool. I got you something. I got you something. Where is it?
Sit. Thank you. Just wait 1 second, okay? All right, real quick, I'm gonna show you guys everything I got.
Forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
Okay, so basically everything I got is cleaning supplies. There's literally a mountain of cleaning stuff, but I did get two things for myself that I wanted to show you. First, I got a drip coffee setup. When I was back in the States, I did drip coffee the whole time and I absolutely loved it. Also brought back a ton of coffee grinds from Hawaii, so I'm just so excited to get a ton of use out of this. This was only ochoma, which is less than $5. And what I'm so excited for is this notebook. I am going to give it a go at doing my to-do list on paper instead of electronically on my phone. I know that sounds like the most small, irrelevant little goal I have, but I just feel like my ADHD brain, I have been making so many different like note pages on my phone, and then they just like poof, they just disappear. They go into thin air. I mean, they're still on my phone, but I just lose track of all of them. And I feel like if I write something on paper, it's just so much more clear. I'm not gonna lose it, and I'm so much more likely to follow through with it just based on past experiences. So I'm really excited. I think I'm actually gonna use this later tonight to write my to-do list. And clearly Cleo's very interested. I think what she's really interested in is her toy. I always get her some kind of toy whenever I go. Should we see her reaction? She's so cute. And the thing is, she only likes the soft ones. I don't ever get her like the rubber ones because she just doesn't vibe with those as well. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Love you, my girl.